Welcome to the video documentation of ZOS Miniconda, an open source product of Rocket Software. In this video, you'll see how to log into the Rockets community portal and download the ZOS Miniconda installation files and then transfer the files to the ZOS machine. In your browser, type the address for the Rocket community portal. The login page opens. Log in with your username and password and then click Sign in. If you don't have a login ID, click Sign up to create one. The Rocket Community portal opens. Now click Downloads and then from the category list, select Z Open Source. From the list of modules, click Rocket Open App Dev for Z Free Solution. If you are a paying customer, then click Rocket Open App Dev for Z Miniconda Installer. This is the paying version that provides access to the latest versions of all the ports and latest security fixes. It also provides more install options and 24/7 support. From the list of files, download the Miniconda installer and then download the latest AppDev manifest text file. You can also download the ZOS Miniconda documentation PDF for instructions. You can see the files are downloaded to your local machine. Now we'll show you how to transfer the files from your local machine to the ZOS machine by using an FTP or an SFTP client. Here we are using the WinSCP to connect to the ZOS machine. Go to Preferences and select Transfer. Ensure that the transfer type shows binary. Now, to transfer the files, copy them from your local machine and paste them to the ZOS machine. The transfer is now complete. Let us now verify that the files had indeed been transferred. Open a PuTTY session, type the command ls-l. You can see that the files that we transferred are listed here.